Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, the place where history, hidden treasures, and rare coin discoveries come together. Today we are diving into a fascinating United States coin, the 1991 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark. Some online sources claim extremely high values reaching millions of dollars, but is that real, or just internet hype? In this video, we're going to explore the history, design, minting details, rare errors, real market values, and the truth collectors need to know. So before you spend or ignore your pocket change, watch this full video, because you might be holding a hidden story in your hands. Coin history. The Lincoln cent is one of the most famous coins in United States history. First introduced in 1909 to honor President Abraham Lincoln, it was the first U.S. coin to feature a real historical figure. By 1991, the Lincoln cent was part of the Lincoln Memorial series, which began in 1959. This design honored Lincoln's legacy and remained in circulation until 2008. The year 1991 was a period of strong coin production in the United States. Millions of pennies were struck to meet everyday economic demand. Because of this high production, most 1991 pennies are considered common, but collectors always search for rare variations. Design details. Let's look closely at the coin's design. On the front, also known as the obverse, you will see Abraham Lincoln's profile facing right. Above his head is the word Liberty, and in front is the date 1991. Below Lincoln's shoulder appears the motto "In God We Trust." On the reverse side, you'll find the iconic Lincoln Memorial building. Inside the memorial, with a magnifying glass, you can actually see the small statue of Lincoln, a fascinating detail loved by collectors. The words United States of America appear at the top, 1 cent at the bottom, and the Latin phrase E pluribus unum above the memorial. Mintmark explanation. Now let's talk about the most important detail, the missing mintmark. A 1991 penny without a mintmark was produced at the Philadelphia Mint. During that time, many Philadelphia coins did not carry a mintmark, which makes them extremely common. Because millions were produced, a regular 1991 Philadelphia penny is not automatically rare. However, collectors carefully inspect these coins for unique errors or unusual characteristics. Composition and specifications. The 1991 Lincoln penny is made primarily of zinc with a thin copper coating. It weighs about 2.5 grams and has a diameter of 19 millimeters. This metal composition was introduced in 1982 to reduce production costs. Although these coins look like older copper pennies, their internal structure is different, and sometimes more prone to damage or plating errors. Rare errors. Look for. Here's where things get exciting for collectors. Some rare varieties can increase the value of a 1991 penny significantly. Double die errors, letters or numbers appear doubled. Off-center strikes, the design is misaligned during minting. Clipped planchets, a portion of the coin is missing due to a cutting error. Die cracks or cuds, raised lines or lumps caused by damaged dies, wrong planchet errors, extremely rare cases where a penny is struck on another coin's metal. Coins with verified mint errors and in excellent condition can sell for much higher prices than regular circulation coins. Realistic value discussion. Now let's talk about value, and this is very important for honesty with your audience. A normal circulated 1991 penny without mintmark is usually worth between 1 cent and a few cents. Uncirculated high-grade examples might sell for a few dollars. However, coins with rare mint errors or exceptional grading by professional services like PCGS or NGC could reach much higher values depending on rarity and demand. Online claims of extremely high values should always be verified through real auction results and professional appraisals. Collector tips. If you want to check your own coins, here are some tips. Use a magnifying glass to examine details carefully. Avoid cleaning your coins, as cleaning can reduce value. Store coins in protective holders to prevent damage. Compare your coin with certified examples from trusted auction sites. And most importantly, learn continuously, because knowledge is the real treasure in coin collecting. Conclusion. So is the 1991 Lincoln penny without mintmark a hidden million-dollar treasure? In most cases, it is a common circulation coin, but rare errors and perfect condition examples can still be exciting discoveries. always check your coins carefully, stay informed, and remember that every coin carries history, culture, and stories from the past. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow coin collectors. And comment below, have you ever found a rare penny in your pocket change? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.